Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. It is a topic that a lot of people talk about, but not a lot of people want to give you all of the steps. So they make it seem like it's so easy and anyone can do it. But I'm here to tell you there is definitely a process that you need to go through. There are strategic methods that you need to use in order to establish your business credit and understand what the hell you're doing. So that's what I'm here for. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I help entrepreneurs with business credit, with personal credit, with credit coaching, with business coaching, and a lot of other things. So you can always head over to our website, therealnicolescott.com, or you can check out some of the links below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you are looking to start a business, start a credit repair business, build business credit, build wealth, you are in the right place today, folks, because my name is Nicole Scott and this is what I do. I fired my boss 1 year into my business, and now this is what I do full-time, day in and day out. So things are always changing, things are always updating, but I try to give you the realest and the most valid information for you guys to make an educated decision on. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the vendors that you can actually start building business credit with. And this is so awesome because a lot of these vendors are not going to be dependent upon your personal credit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Crown Office Supply. So if you are interested in building business credit, leveraging business credit, building wealth, you are in the right spot because my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott and I help entrepreneurs become more financially fit. By being financially fit, one of those things is building business credit and establishing your business credibility. How do we do that? Well, I've got a ton of videos in the links below for you to check out how to structure your business, how to set up your business. I also have an ebook that walks you through everything. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Crown Office Supply and why they are a great vendor to start building business credit with as a new business. Because guess what? Even new businesses can start building business credit with Crown Office Supply. You only have to be in business for 90 days. So there's no excuses, no excuses. And believe me, as a business owner, that first 90 days is going to go by so quick. So this is the application that you want to go ahead and pull up so you can start building a net 30 account with Crown Office Supply. Now, you want to go through and just fill out all of this information. Now, keep in mind, they're asking you all of these questions. So make sure that you have your business set up properly. You have your business name, your business address, your business telephone number, your business website, your EIN number, your DUNS number, your business telephone number. Okay. All of those things are extremely, extremely important to go ahead and know, have organized, and be able to put in the applications when they're asking. Now, the great thing about Crown Office Supply is that they offer a number of different products for you. They don't just offer office supplies. They actually offer t-shirts, electronics, home goods, mobile accessories, all sorts of things that you might even need to buy for your personal life that you can actually put onto a Crown Office account, a net 30 account, and start building business credit. Because as a business owner, you want to make sure that you have branded t-shirts. You're literally a walking billboard everywhere you go. So you want to make sure that, you have these things, you can get them from places like Crown Office, by building a net 30 account with them and establishing that business credit. Now, once you establish your net 30 account, you want to make sure that you have placed an order with them. Now, typically, a lot of places have a $100 order minimum in order for them to report your business trade experience or your business payment experience to the business credit bureaus. So it's really important for you to understand your terms. I talk about terms all the time. Understanding your terms. What is a net 30 term? It means that you're going to have to pay it back in 30 days. So don't buy what you can't afford to pay in cash in the next 30 days, because I've talked to a lot of people out there that overextend themselves when they are building business credit. And that's not what we want. We want to buy things that we already have a use for, or that we can use for our business, and just get the credit from those purchases. Okay. And that's what business credit is all about, is being able to show your ability as a business to pay your bills on time, because that's what the vendors care about. That's what the underwriters care about, your ability to repay back debt as agreed. Okay. So you can go ahead and get signed up with a Crown Office Supply account. Once you apply, and make sure that you have all of your business established correctly. If you need help establishing your business, you can get our business credit ebook, or you can schedule a coaching call with me so I can kind of walk you through it, because you need to make sure that your business is set up so you can get approved for these things, even as a new business, right? And then they will let you know what your available credit limit is once they have approved your application. And then you can just place your order and bill it to your net 30 account. And once you have your account established, you'll be able to log in, manage your account online, make payments, do everything that you need to do. So all that I ask is that you like the video, comment, and let me know if you have signed up for a Crown Office Supply account. So use the link below to support our channel, because Crown Office Supply is one of our preferred vendors to build business credit with. Why? Because they are so awesome, and they specialize in helping new business owners like yourself. So until next time, guys, my name is Nicole Scott. Make sure to check out my full playlist below on how to build business credit.